Safle Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Safle Wallet app promises to redefine digital identity and crypto management with one simple goal: making secure and user-friendly. But how well does it deliver? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Safle's biggest strength is its self-custody design. You hold your keys, your assets, and your data, not Safle. That's a huge plus in a world where centralized wallets often store user information or can freeze accounts. Another advantage is multi-chain support. Safle isn't tied to a single network. It supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and several others. You can switch between blockchains easily, manage your assets, and access DeFi apps without juggling multiple wallets. Safle also shines when it comes to digital identity. The wallet includes a Safle ID, which acts as your universal login for decentralized apps. It's like having a web passport, no more seed phrases or multiple accounts to remember. On the technical side, Safle uses MPC or multi-party computation instead of traditional seed phrases. That means your private key is split into several encrypted pieces stored separately, making hacks and thefts far less likely. But now for the cons. Safle is still relatively new, which means its ecosystem isn't as large or widely supported as giants like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You might find fewer dApps directly compatible with it. Another drawback is complexity for newcomers. While the Safle system is secure, it takes time to understand how MPC keys and decentralized identity work. Lastly, customer support and documentation can sometimes lag behind, since it's still a growing project. In conclusion, the Safle Wallet app is an ambitious and secure option that brings next-generation technology to crypto storage. The surprising truth? It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want top-tier security and identity control, but casual users might prefer a simpler wallet.